Step number one, you have to grab your mobile phone right now. Step number two, watch a YouTube video. Step number three, earn money. It is simple as that. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $700 watching YouTube videos. Now don't don't say anything, because I know you. What are you gonna say? You're gonna say this is not gonna work, but trust me, you need to watch this entire video, because the website that I'm gonna show you, you have not seen before, and the design of the website will make you really like the website as well. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Now if you guys are new to my channel and you haven't seen my videos before, I make videos about how to make money online, also how to show you incomes, everything, and also we are here to show you everything that you need to know about making money online. So make sure, if you guys are interested in making money online, click that subscribe button, also turn the notification on, and that's all about it. And also make sure to subscribe as well, and like this video if you guys like this video as well. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Yes, and if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, there's a link in my description. Click that link and I'm gonna show you, send you all the information you need in order to make money online. Yes, now it's the time. Let's start with the video. And the website that we need to go to, it's called followfast.com. Now this is a website that basically people earn followers, and they get views and everything. But the best part about that is, you give a follow, or you give a, or you watch a video, or you do anything, that you are gonna earn money from that as well. So it's not gonna be like follow and then that's all about it. You are gonna be also earning money by, if you follow other people, and also if you watch videos. But the best way is to watch videos, because that's the easiest way. We don't want to get bombarded with follow like or subscription that we don't want to subscribe into. But yeah, that's all about it. Now the signing up is very simple. Is This is how it works. Join followers, it's free, view pages and earn money, use your point, and that's all about it. Yes, so that's the easiest way that you can make money with this website. Okay, so the ways to join is by clicking into this button. You're gonna click join, and yes, you're gonna add your username, you're gonna add your email, you're gonna add your password, and they will automatically detect your location. And if you have a referral, you're just gonna add it in here, and then you're gonna add your captcha in here as well. Now once you signed up, you are be coming out into this page where you are here. All right, now you're gonna click on Blaze here, what it says Blaze. All right, it would, which it means is basically you're gonna be watching videos and you're gonna earn 7 points from here. This is the video I name. Now you are going to be clicking in, it will take you to YouTube. Now you don't have to watch the video. That's the best part about this. You do not need to watch the video here. All you gotta do is basically is just pause the video and come back, and there you go, the points will increase. And once this seconds just pass by, you're just gonna be in here. You don't even have to go back and watch the entire video. Just wait for the seconds to load. Whenever it finishes, you can just go and watch another video, and then it keeps going on and on and on and on, and that's easy like that. Now here we earn the points. You can see it went from 50 to 57, and then we are going to be coming back into another one. We are just going to watch the, click the video, pause it again, and then we are going to coming back in here. If you also want to watch it, you can watch it as well. But you see this is going to earn us 9 points, and then we have 32 seconds left, which they recommend us to watch 32 seconds of the video, but we don't have to watch 32 seconds of the video. We are going to be doing something else, just going to be a spare time of us, and then we're just going to be clicking on these buttons, and then we are going to be earning that points. Now this is how easy it is. Now you get the idea. There's also other option. There's like, there's dislike, there's sub, there's also Instagram likes, there's also follow, and you can also earn followers from here as well. Now this is very easy way. Now the other way is that you can also be your own, you can also add your videos in here, and you can get whatever you want. You can get likes, you can get subscribers, you can get basically things from here. But I don't recommend it, because it's much better to be your own, like by doing this sketchy ways is not going to be worth it for your channel. And so all cash out processed here, which says all cash out processed. Next cash out is about in about 4 more days. Now this is the idea that I wanted to show you guys. Now here is, that's all you have to do is basically you are going to be clicking on these videos. You're going to be watching them if you want to. If not, you don't have to. And then you are coming back in here, and then you're going to wait for the seconds to load, and then your points will instantly go up. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Also turn the notification on. And yes, I have a new training. It is 100% free, completely free. You don't have to buy anything or pay me anything. It is completely free. I have spent weeks on weeks developing that training. It is going to be complete A to Z affiliate marketing, where you're going to be learning how to make $100 or more with affiliate marketing. The link for my training is going to be in description. Make sure to check that out. And the training is top notch. I could say it's worth $1,000 alone, but I decided to give it out for my because you guys are new to um my channel is basically new, so I'm thinking to give the training for free. And all you got to do is click that link in my bio, and that's all about it. And you're going to see the link on the second row of the description, and the first link is going to be the ways that I make my money online, and that's going to be the first. And then the second one is going to be my training. Click that, and yeah, that's all about it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.